The story of Alison is an amazing story of transformation. I'm calling her Alison. That's not her real name. That's to protect her privacy. Alison came to Russell Healing Institute for help because she recognized that she was stuck. She was stuck in a victim role, and it felt impossible to get out of it. Alison worked with us because even though she was divorced from her husband, she recognized that she was still impacted by him and still paralyzed and powerless in relationship with him. And so any interaction paralyzed her, froze her, caused her panic. Alison wrote to us to describe the transformation that she feels that she's experienced. She writes, "I feel more calm, confident, and in my heart than ever. While I notice that I have evolved from the despair of a stuck victim in a seemingly impossible situation to being more authentically embodied in my noble, sovereign self with expanded compassion, faith, and hope. Thank you, Dr. Dawn and DAMARIS, for so deeply seeing, hearing, holding, and understanding me with your expertise and kindness in the specific challenges I have been facing, and for so gently guiding me across bridges to a happier life. I've even sensed a great shift in my nervous system just from our first introductory meeting, and I'm profoundly grateful for the practical tools and transformational processes that you generously offered throughout our sessions that have not only helped me heal and grow, but have also been added to my personal toolkit for ongoing support. Your loving presence with me on the journey has made a huge difference in my perspective of every day, and it means the world to me to have a renewed sense of my true self to better relate to others." That's Alison in her own words. She has moved from a place of stuckness, a place of paralysis and panic, to a place of peace and calm. Well, she did that with our guidance because we tap into the power of the vagus nerve of the person. We bring the science of interpersonal neurobiology, and we use proven healing techniques to clear trauma from the nervous system that has accumulated over the course of her marriage, perhaps from earlier in life. Most importantly, we do that in a pain-free way because we work from a position of compassion and mercy. We don't want to re-traumatize a person in the healing process, of course. So if that's intriguing to you, I encourage you to click the link below, find out more, reach out, and let's transform your life and let's transform your marriage, a more beautiful place.